Matalot.
Pinurang na pa kayo pero.
Ang na nagpipicture-picture na naman itong mas natuwa.
Hindi na Angela dito. Eh, mag-report ka na para makauwi na kami.
Gusto mo report? Gusto mo report?
Ah, sige, hindi ako mag-report.
Surprise sa akin eh.
Lul!
Yagagagin mo ba si
Lul!
Char! Surprise! Masarap ko nang masabi. Pipi.
Ah, kasi ano yun? Ewan ko. The expression D number takes singular form, takes singular verb, while the expression A number takes plural verb. For example, the number of rice,
Okay, sit down.
the number of rice,
Basta pagka may ano na tayo, pag may PowerPoint na tayo, hindi naman masama tingin-tingin kayo pag nawawala ka. Para hindi masyadong pangit.
okay,
Para
you
memorize
understand?
na memorize.
Yeah. It agrees with our compound subject.
Maganda yun kasi di ba naka-flash tayo sa sa whiteboard. Tapos hiramin natin yung white pen ay yung black pen
Tama,
yung
tama.
marker. Bali, bura-bura na lang kada.
Ano yung ginagawa natin sa yung gagawin
Kaya
natin?
collective na. Is that a group? Is that
As
I don't wanna be.
group of
Video.
individuals. The predicate should be singular. The predicate should be singular.
Pero,
In this
one member,
situation, I have an example to explain this,
si Joe naka-ID pa eh.
to explain the first part of this
Royal
rule.
eh, no?
Dakipay.
The troop was assigned to the nearest hill. The troop is our subject, which is the collective noun, and the word was is the predicate, which is agrees to the subject, which is the troop. And the second part of this rule is the idea expressed to the collective noun is that of a number of individuals. The plural should be, the verb should be plural. In this situation again, I have an example. In this case, I have another example to explain this part, to explain the second part of this rule. The crowd are doing different things. The crowd is the subject, which is the collective noun, and the word are is the predicate, which agrees to the subject, which is the crowd, and the word and doing different things is the main idea. That is the predicate. For example, in this instance, doing different things is doing different things.
Hindi kasi ito eh. Gumagano eh.
Doing different things is the main idea that expressed to the subject, which is the crowd.
Yung anak namang ginagano ng ginagano.
Tama din eh.
Ayun pala yung Ayun pala pagulat dyan.
So, thank you.
Video yan.
Siyempre sa akin nagtatapos.
Utay-tutay kayo.